Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use BERT, Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, for natural language processing, NLP, tasks using Python. BERT is a pre-trained model developed by Google that has revolutionized the field of NLP by providing state-of-the-art performance on a variety of tasks. We'll cover the following topics in this tutorial. Let's get started. BERT is a transformer-based model developed by Google AI language. Unlike previous models that were unidirectional or used a combination of left-to-right and right-to-left context, BERT is bidirectional, meaning it considers the full context of a word by looking at both left and right context in all layers. BERT has been pre-trained on large corpora of text data and can be fine-tuned for various downstream NLP tasks such as text classification, named entity recognition, question answering, and more. Before we proceed, make sure you have the following libraries installed. You can install these libraries using pip. Text classification is a common NLP task where the goal is to classify text documents into predefined categories. We'll use BERT to perform text classification in this tutorial. The general steps for using BERT for text classification are as follows. Now, let's see how we can perform text classification using BERT in Python. In this code example, you can replace the sample text with your own text data for classification. That's it. You've successfully implemented text classification using BERT in Python. ChatGPT.